Hey YouTube, it's Cheap Survival. Come back at you again with another video. This is my EDC update for November. It's a little late, but haven't been able to get around to it. Work's been crazy, but let's get to it. Now I always carry formal gloves because it's getting cold. Always got a jacket too. Started carrying a lanyard. Got my keychain. Got a little keychain light. Oop, almost dropped it. Comes out, pretty cool. I got that one in the $15 survival kit challenge. And of course got my paracord, wallet, fill container, my little Sharefield multi-tool. Find this one a little better to carry. Flashlight. And my Kurzall. Carry bandana, like always. Belt. And this baby, which I'll break open real quick. Alright, I'm back. I realized I had my camera upside down. There we go. This has a few band-aids in it. It's a face mask. Got a little knife. Black memory stick thing. Tinfoil. Package of tea. Condom. Some glucose tablets. There's zip ties. Another condom. Bunch of band-aid, gauze. Anti-diarrheal. This is a new addition. Some water purification tablets. They suck, but it's better than nothing. Takes 4 hours for them to work. Some of my homemade fire tenders. And that is it. Ugh. This is definitely getting a little too bulky to be carrying, but it's the best I got. I used to have everything in an Altoids tin, but ran out of space. So now I keep it in this, but I'm running out of space in this, and it's starting to break down. Really need to figure out something else to carry all that in. Saying like one of those Maxpedition pocket organizers, but I don't have the money for one at the moment. If I do get one, do a video on it. Yeah, that is all my stuff. A lot of stuff I keep in my pockets. You know, on other days it varies. I like to keep some candy and stuff like that. And usually I keep heartburn pills and some Tylenol in this. My keys, of course. Wallet. Okay, that is my November EDC update. This has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, subscribe. Over and out.